You ready to show everybody our room?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, let's give them a tour.
So this is the living room.
Yep, it's pretty spacious.
So fancy, and here's some couch.
There's a couch.
Here's a lamp.
Here's a lamp.
And we got a crib for Harper.
Crib for Harper. Got a nice big screen TV on the wall. It's a pretty spacious living
And a
room.
mirror.
And a nice mirror. This is the living room. Okay, let's go check out the bathroom and the bedroom. Ready?
This is the bathroom.
Oh, wow. It's got dual sinks, his and her sinks. Nice marble on the floor. Nice tile,
You
nice.
can take a shower.
Pretty nice big shower.
And I'll show
Okay.
you around
And now
over here.
to the magnificent bedroom.
Here's a bed and bed. Two beds.
Two beds, got a nice
And a beautiful mirror.
and a big TV over there.
A beautiful mirror.
And the beautiful mirror, wardrobe mirror.
Let me show you.
Okay.
It's the closet.
And the closet. It's a beautiful hotel, guys. All right, you
Okay,
guys.
I'll see you tomorrow, guys.
See ya.